Hello and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, and if you are a veteran going through divorce in Texas or thinking about filing, this is the video for you. Because divorce is hard for anyone, but for veterans, it often comes with unique sets of legal and financial questions that most civilians don't have or have to think about. So what makes a divorce different for veterans? Let's walk through a few key areas that can affect your case. First, military retirement. In Texas, military retirement is considered community property, but only to the portion earned during the marriage. That means if you served 20 years, but were only married for 10 of them, only that 10-year portion is subject to division. It's important to use precise language in your divorce decree to protect what's yours and to ensure the order meets the DFAS requirements for direct payment. Second, the 10-10 rule. Many veterans ask, will my ex automatically get half my pension? The answer is no. But under the 10-10 rule, if you and your spouse were married for at least 10 years while you served, the DFAS can send your spouse a share directly to them. If you don't meet that rule, you still are responsible for making the payments, but the court can still divide the pension. Third, TRICARE and healthcare. If your spouse was using TRICARE during the marriage, they may or may not be eligible to keep it after the divorce. The 20-20-20 rule says if you were married for at least 20 years, served with 20 years, and the two overlapped, your spouse can keep TRICARE, but fall short of that and they'll likely lose it. Fourth, disability payments. VA disability pay is generally not divisible in divorce, but it can still affect support or child support calculations. And if you waived retirement pay to receive VA benefits, that waiver can impact what your ex is entitled to. It's one of the most misunderstood parts of military divorce, and it's why working with someone who understands veterans' benefits is essential. Finally, custody and deployment. If you are a parent and still on active duty or subject to deployment, your parenting plan needs to reflect that. Texas courts allow for military-specific provisions like designated visitation during leave, electronic communication rights, and even temporary custody arrangements during deployment. Bottom line, divorce as a veteran in Texas isn't just about dividing property, it's about protecting the benefits you've earned and ensuring your children and finances are handled properly. If you're a veteran facing divorce, don't navigate this alone. Visit brianfagan.com to schedule your free consultation. Our team understands the legal and military sides of your case, and we are here to help you move forward with clarity and with confidence. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.